Hi guys, have you heard of energy fields? Do you believe in energy fields? Today we're dealing with COVID-19 caused by SARS-CoV-2. It's really important to understand this. 127,000 people have died, and right now the only solutions that look like they're going to help are hydroxychloroquine and azithromycin. We need some other things to be looked at in addition to this. You see, in 2013, I founded this company called Jagannath Health, which means universal health, being open-minded to different processes so that we can help patients. Since then, I've studied some things that are sort of outside of the box. One therapeutic technique that I studied is mantra meditation and its effects on addiction. Our team, the KneeTie team, has taken all of the studies, and we're going to be doing a video on every single one of the clinical trials that are out there, in addition to the ones that actually come to us. Now, I graduated from Johns Hopkins Pediatric Neurodevelopmental Disabilities Program with Kennedy Krieger Institute. Really, that doesn't mean anything until we actually apply this knowledge to make sure that the knowledge that we have is helping people. So this is our attempt at Jagannath Health. So this is a study from Russia. I want you to really hear about this study because it may be true, it may not be true, but we're going to study it and we're going to find out. There is a doctor that is out there. We want to know if the 40 patients that he states that he's cured from SARS-CoV-2 is actually reliable, and if it's something that we can be precise and accurate about and we can replicate. Very easy, simple treatment. Now, here's where you're going to be very skeptical. I'm very skeptical also, but I want you to hear the video because maybe there's something to this. I don't want to just throw anything away because those 127,000 people that died require us to take a look at this.
This is called application reflexotherapy. This method, I think, work like this vibration from herbs and what we put on arm and leg. This gives some energy to destroy virus. How this happen? We have different herbs which work with virus. This method work like this. Virus feel this way when you use bandage. Virus, I think, stop activities, like he become weak, and this activates the system and body very easily to destroy this virus. What patient feel like in 30 minutes he feel like some relief. In 2 hours he feels fever starting less, if like fever 39, like something like this, starting become less, down, headache less, cough, breathing better. You know, after 6 hours person feel really big relief. So person feel less cough, better breathing, good mood, everything change. You know, in 2 days person feel healthy. But I ask use this bandage around maybe 10 days because my opinion that virus not work in body but still live. So this is work like vaccination. Body make a very nice immune system up from this virus when we use this bandage for treatment.
The problem is that it's so far out to me that if you wear something, that wearing will actually have an effect on the virus. And so I'm going to keep an open mind to it. Right now, there's 1.6 million confirmed cases of COVID-19, and total deaths is 96,787. They would have probably liked somebody to keep an open mind for them, right? Had somebody kept an open mind for them, maybe we would have found something. So the question is how do we win? Like, and start from the beginning with me. Don't come to the middle, because the conclusion you're drawing is already come to the middle. Bring me to the beginning of the science.
You see, everybody have energy, you know. Energy or prana, this is main principle of living. Like you live because like nervous system work because prana moving, you know, and prana, this is vibration. If you find some vibration which work against virus feel not good, you know, like like he feel very difficult to live and move in body which produces this vibration. This is my understanding, but my opinion, this method can treat all world, because you can put this bandage for everybody, not only for people who have disease, but also for people who for prevents, who don't have disease.
It seems harmless. Now, say a patient is taking other medications while they're taking your treatment. Is there a problem?
No problem. You just understand this, like I put this bandage and this is help, but you will tell this is antibiotics help.
So the first thing that we want to do in this study is we want to study if being vegetarian is actually helpful in combating the disease or the severity of the disease. The second thing is that a mantra will be used before using this turmeric and ginger. And the third thing is what's interesting is that this gentleman states that actually having turmeric and ginger alters the magnetic field around your body and how the virus will actually react. And basically having it on your left wrist and your left ankle. Now, do we believe that this is the only thing that you should do? Absolutely not. You should contact your doctor and do exactly all the other therapies the way you would want to do it. But if you want to enroll in this trial, that's fine. We can consent you and get you enrolled in the trial for a formal consent for Jagannath Health. Now, we'll be testing some endpoints in this study and then going from there. And what we'll do is we'll randomize the trial in some way, if we can, so that we can actually have a randomized and control arm to see if it's possible that the ginger and turmeric on the wrist work versus not. So thank you for considering this as a study. If you're interested in it and you do have COVID-19, we'd like to recruit you to be able to come into the study and see actually how you did. So I just want to make a disclaimer for this study. I don't want you to start putting turmeric on your wrist or your ankles just to do it arbitrarily. There's a protocol that we need to follow by doing this, and I want you to follow this protocol, because otherwise the study doesn't mean anything if there's arbitrary endpoints without a set pathway to that endpoint. Please just send us your information. We'll get in contact with you, and then we'll try to enroll you for a study. As a disclaimer, we cannot be responsible for anybody that is putting turmeric or ginger on themselves, as this is actually not the protocol. So hope you understand this. Thank you.